What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Reef Breeders PRISM ATO. Welcome back to the channel. Now, before we take a look at the PRISM ATO, I've been struggling with a bout of cyanobacteria, and I really haven't done anything about it. I've just been watching it grow pretty much until the other night where I tried to tackle the problem. There's a lot of products out there that can take care of cyano, like red slime remover, which I do have, but I wanted to try to tackle the problem more natural way first before I just threw some chemicals into the tank. This tank's been going for 2 months now, and I haven't really done any big water changes on it because I was kind of just getting it set up, letting it run, making sure everything was stable, making sure the parameters were in check. So I haven't really done any major water changes. I've done 5-gallon water changes here and there. The first step is to siphon out as much of the cyanobacteria as I possibly could and do a water change. I ended up doing a 20-gallon water change. This is a 125-gallon reef tank. Now, I will say it was challenging siphoning out all of the cyanobacteria. I did the best that I could. There's bits and pieces left over, so it's probably going to come back with a vengeance, and that's going to lead me to using red slime remover to hopefully achieve better results. But as you know, we built the tank stand for this aquarium, painted it and stained it, got everything transferred from the 210-gallon tank, downsized it all to this 125-gallon reef as part of the reef tank rebirth. Now, if you haven't seen any of those videos, I organized them in a playlist for you down below, so you can go ahead and check those out. And if you're new to the build, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check the bell icon, and you can follow the latest videos of the Coral Reef Talk as they come out. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the Reef Breeders PRISM ATO. This is the main point of today's video. I just wanted to share the cyanobacteria outbreak with you because that's what I'm going through right now. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. This is the Reef Breeders PRISM ATO. So if you're looking for an auto top-off solution, this could be the one for you. So starting off, here is the user manual, and then it comes with a nice amount of tubing for you to work with. That's the tubing holder right here. And then next up inside the box, we have the PRISM sensor itself. Has the Reef Breeders PRISM ATO and the website marked on the inside of the chip there. But this sensor has a low-level sensor, a mid-range sensor, and a high sensor all in one, and it has a magnetic mount that's you're easily able to mount it to your sump. Next thing in the box is the power adapter and the small little pump for moving water from your water reservoir into your sump. All right, so now it's time to set up my auto top-off system, and for that I need a container to hold my fresh water that I'm going to pump back into my sump whenever the sensor detects that the sump needs water. So we're going to go ahead and fill that up. This is a Trigger Systems water container. It holds 5 gallons of water. So once I fill up the container with water, it's time to set up the PRISM ATO, and it's real easy. That magnetic holder makes it real easy because you can put it anywhere in your sump and keep it out of the way just by simply using the magnet and putting it into position. Just put the fill level sensor where you want your water level to be, and you're good to go. This sensor turns the fill pump off when it detects water. Alright, so once I got that into place, it was time to set up the pump, and the pump is real easy. You just take the tubing and slide the tubing on that small little barb fitting on the pump. Getting it started was a little bit of a challenge, but I succeeded, and you just push it right on there. Once you get it on the pump, you just take that and put it into your top off container, and then you run your power cable out to, now there's two connectors on the PRISM ATO. One is power for the sensor itself and one is power out to the pump, so that way everything is controlled and managed right there. You don't have anything else you have to mount to your tank stand. There's no big bulky controllers. It's just a power in, power out, so the sensor can tell the pump when to turn on whenever the water is lower than that sensor, and it will turn on and fill up your sump. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and go ahead and pick yourself up a Reef Breeders PRISM ATO. It's really awesome. I'm enjoying it so far. Not a sponsor again, by the way, but this is if you're looking to buy an automatic top off and you're not wanting to spend hundreds of dollars on one, because they can get pretty pricey, this has a pretty good price range and it works really well. So thank you again for liking and commenting and subscribing to the channel, and check out the Coral Reef Talk shop. The Teespring link will be in the description. Go ahead and get some Coral Reef Talk merch. It'll really help me out a lot, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.